Man in the wilderness. What you mean? Me I tell you, the diaspora happy, you know. Yeah, man. Afternoon. Breaking news. Yeah, man. People, the Shrek, Jamaica corrupted DPP. Very corrupted. Yeah. The politician, Jamaica politician, DPP, no more. According to the court, struck down the Constitution Court rule against extension. Yeah? So I look through that. DPP Shrek 5, parallel willing. No more. Yeah, she have to pack her bag and go and leave. Yeah? All right, me just reach out. Come see Philip Palwell. Me see Dana Scott Motley and things. So me just reach out to Palwell. But, I'm not available till later. And, for talk, because I think they're in some meeting. I'm tell you where I'm in some meeting right now. Yes, but the opposition, take them to court. When you see, say, the bag is not work, The opposition, thank God for the opposition. Mark Golin, the whole opposition crew, Paul Well, the one we salute. Yeah, man, take them to court. Yeah. Because the opposition now ramp. A long time we are telling you to go home in a strike. Long time because of you in the way I stand up against justice. The way right now we turn and grab you too. By your Santa. You don't know what feel about this check around here, You know that already in eyes on the file. So when I run put this check, we play a little thing with them, because them fling it out. I buy them something. I'm at a fuck, No invite she plus our Santa. Yes. So we're showing now a little thing with them say so. As I said before, me reach out to Philip Palwell. Yes, and them in some meeting, some thing. Let me tell you what kind of meeting, Let me go to this, but let me tell you now. Yeah, because them carry to the man. Parliament to group meeting them, So I'm not available till later. See? Yes. So, because we want interviewing on the whole, scenario or it go down. But the court make run through it herself. Yeah? Because she not have not about her, she should go on from 2012 and 2020. And Shrek, sit down up there, please, and caring, government to back criminality in Jamaica. See? About them. See how and so what the court said there. So them run go to the Constitution Court and them think them having a standing. But it tell them, Mr. We can't get to cheat there. The Constitutional Court has ruled that the second extension of Director of Public Prosecutions, Shrek 5 tenure in office is unconstitutional. The ruling was handed down Friday morning at Supreme Court in downtown Kingston. Government last year controversially amended the Constitution to increase the age of the DPP Shrek 5 and then increase it, should proceed on retirement from 60 to 65. Why you do that? So even if everything about it, you come get an extension without the opposition reject it. And so she corrupted. Not too worry about it. She used circumstantial evidence and send my brother Ninja Man. When them kill Kentucky kid, she let go the police come, admit go do other crime again. She let go, anything what she do, because she never win case yet. She let go Milanine. Panfia watch. Milanine go kill. She caused the death. Because Milanine go rob people and kill them. Then for block film neck in California and shock him. Electric share him forget. We don't have no sympathy. Pan Shrek 5. None at all. Yeah? See when Paul when them just a leave court. Maybe we can't hear them so clearly. But this is when them just a leave court. See them here?
Go ahead,
Morning. Michael Gibson, counsel for the claimants.
When we started our solution to this case, the first thing that we said is that the case is not about the separation. It's not about how to do everything. It's not even really about the extension of the case. The case is about the rule of law, about establishing a principle that the same laws apply to everybody, and that the Constitution needs to be respected. And we think that's what the court is ruling has indicated. So we are appealing to the ruling, the result of the court effectively saying that the Constitution requires everybody in the same way and not special.
Does this mean now that the DPP will have to step away from office
As of today.
as of today? And there's no further challenge that she can make?
Well, I don't know what the government will discuss without the ask.
Mr. Paul, what's your reaction?
But I'll start pretty much the same way. We've always said that this was not about misbehaving, and it's more to do with our fundamental belief and respect for the Constitution. There's also an important statement on governance. A lot of these things can be avoided if there is respect for the opposition in power. And this matter could have been dealt with by a conversation with the Prime Minister and the leader of the opposition, and which is what the Constitution requires. And if that were done and respect is given, then we wouldn't have this unfortunate situation where a public servant is being embarrassed. So I regret that aspect of it, for sure. But I believe that the judgment was a good one.
You mentioned that if there was a conversation, there would be no embarrassment. But I'm not sure if this question is for you or for the opposition. Would the opposition be minded then to agree on a further extension?
The way a country is run is by people recognizing the role and position of each other, the roles and position. And sometimes these matters are settled by the leaders. In a room, you submit the Bay Royal confab, and that is how a mature democracy operates. We shouldn't have to be in Parliament one day summoned to pass a law without the requisite respect and confrontation with them. And I think this is fundamentally a commentary on that.
Mr. Powell, given this ruling, can we expect to see the opposition challenge, bringing more matters like this, in matters where they feel like the government did not, break the protocol or did not consult with them, with the Constitution?
We are quite clear. Our role is to protect the integrity and the sovereignty of the Constitution. And anywhere we see violations, we are going to pursue.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. All right, so see there? Yes. This is when them just come out of court. So she will just pack up her bag and leave. Yeah, man, she will leave. Right? DPP no more. I mean, yes, so Chuck him run out and say, we are going to appeal. It don't make no sense to appeal. Because when you pass something on the run going on in this, so around with the Constitution like you not smaddy. Yeah, disrespect Jamaican people. Disrespect Jamaican people, Yes. Nobody no likes Shrek but Uno. Because she keep Uno safe. Barely a year time I come soon. Yes. Google Kagametai. Yes, some people that say boy alone some yet. At the right, and them here call for move. Because long time I want Shrek 5 for move, All people were sick now, me yesterday and get up out of their sick bed and I rejoice. Them have to get up and I rejoice because them say Shrek 5, get the boot. Go outside to catch. Eh? The government are doing legal things to keep Shrek 5 to go and continue to protect them. Eh? All she do is go around and do and mash up the country and aiding criminal and all kind of things. I know Patrick Daly them they get charged. No. You understand? So them want to have to stay. But let me ask them something. Even if she did stay, Don't you have to leave one day, one not to think, nobody now keep on there, you know. Angela, the biggest liability for the JLP right now. I want to trick the people them. In a 2016, when they come out and talk about basket and them thing, they post a out a basket. And she said she never can't talk to trick nobody. I want to do PR. When the woman do real things and care about the economy and everything with Elijah came on, but this is gold, Madam Speaker. I use our own word. Now have nothing. Now have nothing. Trick the people them. Now run out. And have us check 5. Only thing them do is move off and get to people. None of the big boys, though they can't nobody not get old. She forget old for aiding and betting to you can't just send her home for go sit up on a Santa like that. Must not work around here. Nice breaking news, you know, but it must work. Because it's unconstitutional. So you extend that thing. And you can't extend it again. So what you do, you change the country. You directly front of everybody face say, here what we do. We want to keep her. We could change it all. She not work none at all, you know. She just protect them. So front of her face, she just them sit down and change the constitution. The great constitution, you know, them don't know if to change something, you know. And change it. To say make we keep her. 365. So if them were in them head, them see them keep her 65, yeah, them appeal or them a break, you know. Because you come and give her that. You extend it already and she for go home. And you change it. Because you don't see no way out. You don't see, not with the opposition or nothing, you know. Them use the majority, say them a pass something and just put something and change something and say she will stay. Till, you know, the next 3 years. Then she has 65. So now she don't have how much? 1 year left. 2020, then give her 2. Yeah? That's all? 2022, then give her 2. Because she leave in 2020, then give her 2. And then them run come change it again. And give her 3 more. Put it at 65. Yeah? She forgot a long time. Great for Jamaica, yeah. Yes, it shows something working in Jamaica. Them have to move Shrek. She eats up in it like she a crab louse. Shrek nobody no respect you, you know. Ongo them. But you please respect you, but nobody no like you Jamaica. And who like you some criminal elements within the government and the big boys there. But decent Jamaican and law-abiding citizens don't like you. Them don't. I'm going to tell her the truth. Because you're corrupted. She corrupted. Yeah. She corrupted. See? She corrupted, man. Yes. See? So she feel squirm about her business. See? People now by in their 60s feel embarrassed and shame that she born in her 60s. No case part of her 60s a born. She born no, she not born in 19. She born maybe in her 60s, but in 19. She maybe born in a maybe 1460. Because she don't look like she born in 1960. No way at all. No way at all. No, sir. She not born in nothing. She not born in 1960, 61, 62, come right up. No way at all, not 60. She look like she born 19. The 19. You have to spin that. You know, maybe she born not 19, but 1660. Yes. You know, if, you know. No, so I got eyes on the fire. More hear from some people, you know. More hear from eyes on the fire if it's a great day for Jamaica. Google Gaga is a great day too, you know. Google Gaga is a great day. Yeah, you understand? Yes. Google Gaga is a great day for Jamaica. Very great day. See? Yeah, man. People are sent from all over the place. Right? When Google Gaga leave, now this is an extra great day for Jamaica. Pure injustice she deal with. She for us go home my yard. Pack up and go down when she see this now. Can you imagine how her face long down? And them I run up and down. Like them I eat that. Yeah. She allow the NWC man and lock up. I'll be on those you know, people. She allow the NWC man and make them got them one more charge the man there and put out the man there. The inspector will find out the breach. Yeah, and that's the same thing at KSAC. When Angela forget charge, she run up and down. The one from education ministry. And she protect him, by the way. Really. I know you have the case. Remember, she can just fast forward the case like anything else. So she up her ribbies too. You know, you have some cougar about the place. But them send for them the escort all the while and carry them up in the hills there. And we can't tell them who shows them go and them thing there. Them for us going up in the hills with them foolishness. We know the foolishness with them, yeah? Them for us go outside. But well on them, let me just talk to, let me tell me can talk to one of my brother here because this is a good news right round the globe. Round the globe. Hold on there. Let me just call, let me tell me can call. Me just call some people and ask them how the news are sound to them. Because long time we are telling us what she figure away. Let me just ask some people. Me just call some people and ask them in a 2 minutes and 3. You know, how the news sound to them. Because they have to move. Hey, Ratty.
Yeah, we're not.
Boy, me I talk to some people, but you know, me have to call them first, you know, my brother, because I run all this. All the news of Shrek 5 to leave immediately. What sound to you? What make you feel, brother?
Right. Justice has been done, brother. Justice has been done. Justice has been done. It's them say the wheels of justice grind slowly, but it grind. You know what I'm saying? It grind. And it grind her out. It grind her out.
Yeah, man.
Grind her.
Yeah, man.
Grind her out.
Yeah, man.
No, she have to go home. She have to, you know, and this is not a wish. This is an instruction that she has to leave and go home. Brethren,
Yes.
if you look at my promo, you know, put out for this Saturday, you know. And you're there on the show.
Yes.
It said DPP removal and discipline because we have filed something on her today, you know.
Right. But that you know, so we are going through it. Better. After we have Google Gaga now and say yes, and I wait for the day, them Google Gaga get kick out. It's good for we, you know, but them take away tie. I know him for go home. No one to go home and you put up that and we are saying she for go home long time till she come up. Before you even file it, you know, so what them do. The judge know what them are do. Them say, yo, them are crosses, what they can and the renegade and the rebel for them. Eh?
We have something. We have a letter for the Prime Minister. We're done and we are sending it out today to him.
Yes.
So him for recommend to the Governor General, for him panel a tribunal to get rid of her. Let her go today, and that is for the Vibes Cartel case.
Okay.
That's something completely different. And then we have filed some complaint with the GLC, General Legal Counsel, and we're asking them to discipline her for the things that she said what she do, that they must go open up all of the cases they must work on. Because she said it's not the first time she deal with a tainted jury, the way she deal with Vibes Cartel case. And we said, no, we need to find out how, because people could have in prison right now as a result of how she handled the case.
Of course.
Plus, what we need to do, we need to look into, you see, from the time she should have leave till now, all of them cases where she ruled upon, you know, brother, if the defense attorney them supposed to have filed something and I said, well, an illegal DPP, so it was an illegal prosecution.
So tell me something now, Ratty. So when them run, because them, you know, the government and have the manners, it's a private government, because you get a 2-year extension, right? And that starts from 2020. And then you just run 3-year extension. Oh, 23. So 3 years extension. And then you just run, go put in something already, you know, talk to the opposition and you force pass something. And just push and keep her in the job. All that works out.
Yeah, well, brother, look, every case where from the time when she get the extension 63 till now. Yes. Every single one of them cases is subject to review. March 29th, 1960.
Yeah. So every one of them, every single one of them.
Yeah. One of them subject to review. So if me the time she's supposed to leave and now, yeah, we'll appeal that.
Okay. So if you did have a client there and she run out and go on with her foolishness, it's illegal. If you did have a client where she deal with anytime after that, don't it illegal?
Yeah, of course, that's the argument I'm going to make. Let the judge decide.
And she know this thing. And then she still sit down there. She still sit down there, Ratty. You notice?
Yeah, because here's what happened now. You see, all of the cases then, right? Remember now, she's there illegal, right? So if you're there illegally, how you a prosecute case and a lead office for prosecute case, are you there illegally? So they're going to file and say, no, we have an illegal conviction here because we got somebody running the office who should not be there.
Yes.
Who should not be there. So she have a problem. And so whole heap of people go to prison, Whole heap of people go to prison. Right now, they might watch and say, mark my words, I'm going to file to quash the conviction. Watch.
But you know what I say happening in Jamaica, right, Batty? You have a man that say my police for 8 years. And him saying all police go to prison and some other people. Them lock him up, say he wasn't a police. But them keep the people them in a prison. Them people that should have come out and sue the government.
Of course.
Because it's illegal, though you keep them people there in a prison and you run him through and you lock up the man. For you go lock up the man then charge him, and say he wasn't a police, he might imitate police. Or you keep the people in a prison and still make them do them time. Jamaica run bad. So with the DPP now, what you just say now, anybody who have the case just know when them put her in from last year and you run through case with her where she prison, you're in prison, you are doing anything against you and you lose case against her, that supposed to be null and void same time.
Yeah, man, they're going to file to quash it because they must say, how can you have a conviction, right, from an office where the DPP was illegally occupying the office? They're going to raise it.
Yes.
They're going to raise it. That would be like a policeman who retire or a policeman who get fired. He might arrest people. Same way. It can't work. It don't work. So I am sure that they're going to raise that issue. Yeah. I am sure they're going to raise the issue. And the court have to go look on it. But you see, them too arrogant because them know this. You know what she should have done, brother? What she should have done is just go home from Sharice 63. Just go home. Right? Or if you want a job, then you leave. Make them put in from them give you the job and the man them appeal. You step aside. You say, here what, let me leave until the court rules on this.
And that may I say.
Because let me leave because right now all of them you jeopardize a whole bunch of cases now.
So all them cases jeopardize. Okay.
Yeah, all of them cases that I'm not telling you, somebody go, believe me, somebody go and fight. Even if it turn out later on that them say, no, the cases them still good or whatever, blah, 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 blah. And there's a provision that say that they might be good, but if me represent somebody who get 40 in a prison, do you think me have a file?
You have to file.
You say opening, me have a file.
Yes.
Me have a file.
That bring up your portfolio as a lawyer for file. So you in your interest to file, Yes.
Because you never know, because them never think so the judge will never rule out. The judge will never rule out. Them never think so.
So them things that the judge are idiot. So what them do it, them not understand that the judge them follow. And the Constitution over everything else where them are come with. Just go mash up the Constitution and put in where you want to put in and things say. It have supreme powers over everything, right, Ratty? The Constitution.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So them go in now and them just want to go men. That's why I want them about the Constitution now where them leave that woman there. When Mr. Shah pay 4.5 million per month to them friend for a place where them now use. That be a money that's what doing, Ratty.
Yeah.
Jamaica run bad,
That's like it about that style.
If you want money, just you have one of them a friend and you have a business place and think them just give some money. 4.5 million per month for a building where them now use. Nearly 400 million that's what the other day. And that means them do try to run the place. Line them pocket. Them not gonna work for Jamaican people at all. But them have she protect them. She did protect them. Because the other day, in the IC, Ratty, if what them call a woman there? Corruption prosecution. If she didn't make a ruling, that same DPP could have overruled her.
Yes, that's true.
So that's why Mr. She did to protect them. So that she knows said that, that's why she not about to charge the Prime Minister, because she could have charged him, But it's like if she don't charge him, the DPP might have just come in and take the case and overrule her. And that's it,
because the DPP have the power under the Constitution.
Yes.
As long as you don't have a verdict, the DPP can step in and take out. She can start a case
and stop it. Done it.
She can start a case and end it. Right.
Yes. The judge, a matter of fact, people, the judge can have a case right now and she just come and end it, Yeah, not too ratty.
Yeah, man. As long as the only cases that she don't have no jurisdiction over is military tribunal cases.
All right. When you hear that? You can't put that vast amount of powers in a fear and she corrupted. We not ask if she corrupted. We see her act. I know you have a man, you have the education minister from 2019 Ratty. I know him the reach court yet, Must say one time some man appeal. Say no, the judge say if you throw it out because the man the judge go school. When you ever hear that? You and somebody go school when you're a little boy. And Jamaica is a small place. So if you throw him case, just dash it away. Make him go on with the money. Eh? And she did cuss about it. Or him get arrested. You see me as a ratty? Yes.
Yeah. Give me a second. Show me about me. The cost come. I check out.
All right. Cool. Yes, man. All right. So I forgot knock up. I was on the fact, brother. I knock up Herb. Let me see what Herb I say about this, Come and knock up Maria yet, Herb. Let me hear Herb I say because the Herb there. Let me knock up Herb. I knock up the team, man. No way I talk as a man. Because she go home long time doing Long time. Be a nasty case. Herb T.
Hello.
Hey, brother. What's up, bro?
Hey, man.
If me just talk to Ratty, so I have to call you and then I have to call Maria, because when you give a good news like this, the DPP, them send her home, them get the boot. Yeah? Yes.
They send her home?
Yeah, the court said unconstitutional. So the court, remember send it by your phone, and you read it, me just ask you 2 questions right now. Because I'm on my live right now, So, me just talk to Ratty. So me just make it, because when you have a thing like this, me have to just call and hear, because a long time we want her to go home in her.
Yeah.
Yeah, because she very corrupted, And she back them, And back the corruption, Look on that on your phone and you see it. Immediate effect.
All right, now tell me this. This is the Court of Appeals that did this, right?
Yes.
Well, see, they don't want it to go forward to the Privy Council.
Yeah.
Because the Privy Council knows how bad she is, right? And they know if they approve it, then they're going to appeal it to the Privy Council. So they have to get rid of her now. So she needs to go home. What they should do is escort her out of the office today. Don't you give her any extra time?
I think she's supposed to leave today.
Good. And I need to check her bags when she leaves it. Make sure she don't leave with something. But this is crazy. I'm serious, man.
So check her bag, So yeah, me reach out to the security them down there. Please have her bag and send her outside and tell her to catch. We don't put her out.
That's right.
Yes, tell her to catch. Yeah, the Constitutional Court. Yeah, Constitutional Court put her out. Tell her it's unconstitutional. So me send it by your phone when you open it to read it. So she will go outside, go catch. And by the way, Herb T, I'm a second that. Make sure you search her properly.
Yep.
Herb, the kind of search I want them search her, like how them have the beers in Africa, in South Africa.
Yeah.
When them deal with them diamond, they make your butt and them squat and cough. Make she squat and cough. Yeah. Yes.
Yep.
She not carry out nothing at all. Yes.
You see, now I like the fact that the deputy is going to take over, right? Until I can name somebody else to run the office.
Yes.
And that deputy already wrote her up.
Yes.
And we know she's a no-nonsense lady.
Yes.
So I hope you have enough time in there but she can really start charging people that need to be charged that she wouldn't charge before.
Yes.
Right? And you know what I'm talking about. All
Right.
of them Integrity Commission reports.
Yes. Yes.
Now the IC can submit the reports
Yes.
and get these people charged and get it moving.
Yes.
They don't need to stall anymore, man.
Enough is enough.
And these people, yeah. People been ripping off the system for too long.
Yes.
And she just sit there and watch it. 16 years in office. And who has she prosecuted that's coming out of Beverly Hills, Forest Hills, Red Hills,
no one,
or any high polluted area?
Yes.
Right?
No one. She not, remember, she not touch Andrew and Antara, I care what them do. And when you touch them, she cuss. The other day when the corruption prosecutor from the IC, the reason why she not charge Andrew, because DPP that let him go, She don't override it. She have the power to override it. She know. That's why she never charge him. And them know so she not charge him that Google Kaka. Go meet him and crab. And them are sing Don't You Trouble Zion. Can you imagine? I say, oh, the case too old. Okay, not old. It does happen in 2000, not 2007, yes, or 2008 and come up. And you talk about too old? And you wanna find this, me think she talk about like maybe 1800. She not easy. She forgot one long time. And by the way, wanna please make she stoop and she calf. She squat and calf. The whole bag of research, me just say eyes on the file, I say, lonesome, yes. Remember Herb say it on me second it, Search her back them good. No make no real no. Maybe she have some little ties in there with cut here because she have fear to groom up Santa. But no make nothing cut to no hand. But search her back them good. And put her outside. So that go outside.
For a long time that she's well overdue. Right?
Yes.
She been overdue 2 years now. And now she wants another 2 years.
Yes.
To take her further. There's no way that she could have stayed there another 2 years because she's wrecked the justice system. There's no justice as far as they're concerned. Right?
Yes.
And she is the one that keeps confining the prosecutors under her. Including the one at the Integrity Commission.
Yes, yes.
To not presenting the cases.
Yes.
So what's the use of having these commissions if you're not going to take them seriously?
True.
Right?
Not over that. It's a charge. Let us say something to you. So Paul last him gone. And him tell the uptown him they did no matter what. She charged him. That father-in-law last is gone. Too. A matter of fact, them me no know if I give her or something because name host them have no breaking, but him lose are gonna run 3 o'clock in the morning and then the other one 12. That father-in-law. Not even not charged against him. You understand? Then Agintai lose 2 guns. And by the way, if you have your gun at your yard and then you can't at your friend yard, that's supposed to be a charge because you get the gun to keep at your place upkeep at you. But you say a 4 gun lose at your friend place. You're 2 gun, and I know him not get charged. For the car money, I know him not get charged. Everything no care what them do, them not get charged with nothing. Them just go home and just go sit down under fear thing the shit. Leadership. You understand? So good things to tell about a clansman, not one other. See? So anything with them do, the one that the teacher guy, real greed. And them crew, I know them have no case to them, I know, you know. The only guy not get charged neither, you know, SSL, you know, Herb. Up to now, them not get charged. Them not talk to the father, the son, nah, the other one, them not talk to none of them, I know. She's sitting down, she not like
They've been running around scot-free.
Yes, and the fear watch.
And not being questioned,
yes.
Right?
Yes.
Nobody questioned them. So what kind of investigation is she running? Or for that matter, the police under her?
Yes.
Is there police assigned to her office to do these type investigations?
Yeah.
Because I'd love to know. Because like here in the US, within the prosecutor's office, you have detectives, right?
Yeah.
And they can review cases where the police department don't want to charge or come up with a charge.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that what needs to happen is that the Integrity Commission need to go back and relook the cases that she refused to charge and charge them. Charge Andrew. Take him to court.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
There's a free ride. They need to go back and reverse her. Whoever comes in, or not even whoever comes in, her deputy should be able to reverse what she did and take that sucker to court.
Mm-hmm.
It's about time, man. You know,
yeah.
This is a setback for them.
Yeah.
Big time setback. They probably go through hoops trying to figure out what to do.
Yes, yes.
They're gonna have to get somebody in there quickly that can handle the office and do more covering up for them.
Mm-hmm.
But they need to move. The people who are there now, I trust them that they will move rapidly to bring cases that she didn't want to bring. That's what has to happen.
Yeah, this now. Yeah, who run out now? Chuck, garbage. Yeah, Barford Chuck. Barford Chuck say, government will immediately appeal court ruling barring extension of tenure of DPP Shrek 5. Chuck also said government will seek a stay of execution of the ruling of the Constitutional Court. You not get no stay. And if you go away, she will leave today. Today! See, I can't go say about your appeal. Government appeal.
No. So what they're trying to do is stall for time so she can finish doing whatever.
You can't do that. Yeah, so you don't have no time to do that. Our time I run out next year, she will go yard. Yeah, and if government try to do that, that make it even worse. You get rid of them faster. Because them that's what them corruption. Or something them are hiding up. Because government not supposed to even have there. Much less, remember enough people in the office, you know. But them want she to stay there because she have to do them dirty bidding. Yeah? That for tell us that she have to do them dirty bidding. For you see them run out, you know them dirty bidding. Yeah? That can help them. And a good move to Mark Golding and the opposition. Because them carry them a court, them make it nice. Them carry them a court. See?
Yep.
Yes. It's unconstitutional but make boss stay. So if it stays, it's up by next year anyway. You know, you can't get she not stay there, so she for just go home. She for go home.
Let me tell you this.
Yes.
I believe sincerely, you know, that she has done so much damage. And when you see like Chuck and all the people appealing on her behalf, because they're afraid. They're afraid somebody with some kahunas is going to come in there and do the job the way it's supposed to be done.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
And Delroy Chuck don't have no answer for her. Matter of fact, he need to retire. Because he's not doing nothing for the justice system in Jamaica.
Nah.
He needs to move on. See, this is where I think younger people need to take over. Younger people with more ideas and more of a intestinal fortitude to want to push back against these corrupt government ministers when they try to tell them.
Yeah, but you see, it's so bad. We want people with experience and skill now, because the younger people like the G2K, the young what them call it, the germs, what them call it, germs to kill, call it, you know. So G2K, are young people then. And you see some of them come out and you see them coming like them same old counterparts and just corrupted same way. Germs to kill corrupted same way. They both of them are the same thing. So, you know, and about the youngness, about the experience and patriotic. You understand? Because if you're not patriotic, and sometimes you have some of them might think to them smart and them turn and said, when you go power with them kind of people, you rather go into the corruption and mash up a country. You know, and you serve party instead of serving the country. Because I think you serve a country instead of serving party. But them serve party instead of country. So that's another problem. You understand?
Look at how the woman shamed the justice system in Jamaica. Look at what she did. Right? Look at how she shamed herself.
Yes.
And the judge in the trial, she is the one that said it don't matter, must go on and push through the trial just as she can get a conviction. And in other cases, two other cases, when it's obvious she was going to lose and get a ruling against her, she withdraw the case.
Well, with Ninja Man case,
Ninja Man, imagine that.
Yes. So she don't have no case at all, and she said him won 5 years. And then all the police have him again, I give some speech to the police, motivation speaker to the Jamaica Constable Force. And him talk to them and him build some more all people and I'm going good. Ninja my brother and Ninja good at And them take him and take a criminal where try to kill half of them. And then she go build a case and say, substantial evidence. So we don't go place him there so. And the man a push and a chop. Remember him a chop other people in and them ear bow. So he just place Ninja in the dead and expanded the dead and I wanted. So we prison them for around 40 years. This is what she come up with. And the judge go along with this foolishness. That is garbage. You prison Ninja for what? No substantial evidence. No evidence at all. Because when she just make out and read out when she just write, I'll be a garbage, better. Be a garbage. But Jamaica can get with this. And she do it enough, get to youth, when them just get to youth and send them to prison. She.
There you go.
Yes.
She'll beat upon the ghetto youth, but when it comes to
the big boys,
the
not even one.
The hills, the big boys, them.
Yes.
She don't want to go up against them.
No.
Because they're going to fight back and they're going to make her look bad.
Yes.
She
did their Antigua, She did their Antigua work. And nobody know rate her Antigua. And she come back and then put her up on the good thing and then we look them go, yeah, promote after Pantan gone home. When them Pantan did have this, in 2008, them push out to the first case she jump up on, the case with the light bulb, in 2008. And when she jump up on it, the guy with Spencer, she turned around and turned him in a witness. Because the guy must have is a JLP operative. And then Bruce them give him a contract. That name corruption to the T. Because you don't give him no contract. You don't give him contract and then the case complete. Them last the case. Right? Because she them corruptedness again, Them take the chin and turn him in about the witness. Then them have a case with James Robertson, where them write up. She said, oh, she not charged. She just said, ba 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 ba. And then I think a Green. Are they Green, right?
Green, yeah.
Yes. And Green survived everything that as she do what she do. With real greed, she costs about it. So everything she do, she just come and make a big fuss and she just back who she back and do bow and bag of garbage. She no good for Jamaica. She corrupted. I tell her she corrupted. But see how yeah.
She need to be moved out of the office. All the cases now goes to the deputy, and the deputy who seemed to have her wits about her need to do the prosecutions.
Then afraid of that,
right?
I'm
not afraid of it, but that is justice. That's true justice. And the deputy need to examine stuff to see what she been doing all along.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
To see if any cases been is a sellout and what cases need to go forward. Right?
Yeah.
We don't have to put up with this anymore, man. Enough is enough. And the fact that we're gonna go after her and try to get a tribunal and stuff, it tells you the Prime Minister didn't see a need for a tribunal.
Yes.
Yet still, the whole Jamaica was ashamed with the cartel trial and what the woman did during the case. Right? And they have not said anything about that. They act like it's no big deal.
This woman corrupted the T.
They have no shame.
She corrupted the T, brother. She corrupted bad.
Yep.
She corrupted bad. She just go home. And when you see, chuck them, we just want them run out and say them appeal something. So we just turn up the heat pan them because this is how them corrupted too, You understand?
Yeah.
Look how much people working at the office. And no flyers and things down there, you know. You have a senior director of public prosecution, you know. Down there, you know, deputy and them thing there, and assistant and all kind of things, you know. And no flyers right there. You know.
And the people are highly qualified.
More than she don't
Right.
qualify nothing. She just a stumbling block. She forgot one.
She's a turned politician. That's what she did.
She's a politician. Thank you. She's a politician.
Yeah, she ran the office based on politics.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Or based on who have money.
Yes. You know, remember the youth named Miller 9, but kill the youth down in California. She
Yeah.
let him go for murder, you know. And when she let him go, him leave and I'm a robber, I'm a criminal. Yeah, let him go. And him go kill people. You know, so them are mash him up. Them are fling some current. One of them fling like maybe 1 million volt of current to him body. Yes. And send send something to him, yes.
You go in California, though?
Yeah, when he go to California, you remember them have him. Him now come out, man. I did him a go face. You see him put on him thing and go shoot the youth. Go in a people house, go rabbit and shoot it. You are police, a detective at Jamaica and go under the stick and go rob people and shoot them. Yeah?
And that's because
She let him go. If she did prison, that you two not dead. You should have sent fear because let me tell you, the bottom line is she aided and abetting these criminals and let them go. But and then lock up some other people when they're supposed to get locked up and let go the criminal then. She do it. Them should have come fear to and fling some electric bolt through fear skin too. You understand? Like in a Vietnam where them have a woman there, yes. She for going a long time, man. You understand? She corrupted. Very corrupted.
Yeah.
And nobody know in her. Yes.
I'm sure they celebrated in her office. But she leaves there today. If she's there, or if she's not there, they don't need to let her back in.
They must let her in. Lock out the gate.
Right.
I could talk to them now. What you say to the security them? She not supposed to come in there because she not working there no more, you know.
She not working there no more. Time's up.
Yeah, but so don't let her in. It's illegal. And we don't know when she's going to the office go set. You understand?
Or what she want to push through the last minute. No, don't let her back in there.
Herb, they're gonna mash up the place with a bit talking. You know, some people when them lose out on something, sometimes you can't let them in an office or nowhere because them can sprinkle powder and give you a big foot. They're big one. You let them in and then come in with that kind of caramel powder. That's two people who believe in that caramel powder. I wait one name. So we don't know if she have plan for do leave something for God. You can't let her in there.
Well, you know, here in the US, once you get fired or once you get terminated and your time is up.
Yes.
Right? If you try to stay longer,
yeah,
and they don't know what your intent is, they escort you out of the building.
Yeah.
And she's there, she need to get escorted out of the building. Don't take no paperwork with her.
Yes.
Let somebody go through her paperwork and decide what is government business or what's her personal stuff.
Yeah.
Okay? But you shouldn't have the personal stuff in the office anyway.
Can't she move anything over charge? I like how them charge and I'll just stump or jump. She must move on all that because the government think them in there, you know. She's supposed to have a handbag of Santana herself and go about her business. Simple.
I mean, if she have like family photos or something like that, yeah.
Family photo, but you know when I put a family photo in that because people are coming to your office come look at that coming like a Matusla. No Matusla. When she name the snake woman, what's she name again, man? Medusa. So she couldn't put nothing in that to turn in a stone. You can't put no image with she night or no image. She's not supposed to have an image in that. People can't look on her straight, so they have to have sunglasses. And what the fuck when you're going to your office, have you have the eclipse glasses? Straight blackout. Yeah. Because I remember she eclipse, you know. Yes. Yeah, I want to know, don't it? For your face, eclipse. And if you look on her beard, it mash up your eye. We never know that. Yes. Never tell the people them that, man. I straight this, it's hard to look at. It's more tolerable for you to look in the sun than to look on Shrek. direct contact.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Yeah? She for go home long time, she too corrupted. Yes?
Well,
Yeah.
let me tell you, this is probably the best news Jamaica has had in 16 years. That she been there.
Why may I tell you?
That she need.
Why may I
That the
tell you,
court
man?
just know she got to go.
She have to go
You know,
on.
and then right, Chuck, if you more support her, maybe more to get her a job in his office.
Yeah.
Take her out of the way so she don't mess up anything else.
Yeah.
You know, if she want to come back and do volunteer work, go to over the Justice Ministry and go help out there right, Chuck.
Well, you know what, you know what I said, Herb? Back in the days too, you never have no government to interfere with these offices and a fight to keep her around. So because one time to leave, them love make him leave. When a year time to leave, them just load it, them make it run smooth. When Sykes still come in, and you have him there in a dilemma. And the people have to come out and say, no, you can't do this. For them make him permanent like me I test him.
Right.
Like you want him, but you can't do this. You understand? It's wrong.
Yep.
It's wrong. You cannot do this.
Well, thank God somebody's there on their ways and they're changing it and making that change.
You have to make change with them people, man. Them terrible, man. It's terrible.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. So I feel good. Herb, later me talk to you, you know, cause run again, you know. All right, brother.
Yeah.
Later.
All right,
Yes, sir.
later.
Yeah, man. When I say me get my sister, yeah, because I have to make she talk on this. I can't get a little piece of this, man. Yeah, man. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Let me see if she's about you now. Maria. I feel me from right here. What we call the word fantastic crew, you know. Fantastic 5. We're going to talk something, I don't know. We're going to call 4 and 5, you know. Yeah, yes. Then? Yes, because something I go on, you know. Yes. Now, I have to say, me get Maria. Aye. Sister. Maria.
Greetings, my brother. Greetings.
Yeah, man, boy, me just start to wrap your herbs, so you know me have to call it quick.
I've been listening to yourself and Vatican. As a matter of fact, I had to call Vatican and say, you know, in there, but it's like a premonition on his part because in his show title, as he pointed out to me, talked about the removal of the DPP, but this is a very good day. This is a very good day. I don't know what it is that they're going to appeal, because for Chuck to come and say he's going to appeal, he's appealing corruption. He's condoning and justifying corruption because there's nothing to appeal here. Absolutely nothing to appeal. Nothing to appeal. She should have gone home a long time ago. And if you notice in the ruling from Justice Blair, who gave oral arguments, in the ruling, said that they did a part of the extension for her tenure is to consult with the opposition, which they did not do. They did not do. You see? So she needs to go. She needs to go. It cannot be. And the thing is, she has way too much power. She has way too much power to be so corrupt and to continue there. Yes. Way too much power. True. You know, so it is a good day. It's really a good day.
It's a good day. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Like Herb says, they must allow her back in the building. Yeah, but tell her, make sure start her quiet.
Herb is funny, Herb said. Herb said that they must search her bags on her way out.
Yeah, man. I
thought to myself, wow, Herb is dangerous. Yeah. But he's right about that. He's right about that. It is too much now. It is really too much now.
You know, Eyes on the File says something. If him willing to appeal the constitutional ruling, him say unbelievable. The constitutional court rule, and you chuck one, number you can't beat the constitution. So I waste people time. And if you come with appeal, them for just give you all Monday and then fling you away. Them can't give them 1 month and 2 months. Them not keep all the phone to fix up nothing. Them just give a couple of days and fling away. I reject it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
We not got too much. We not get Jamaica for take. And by the way, I tricked Jamaica the other day when you see them with, you know, because them destroy the whole country. And Portia Simpson Miller them build it back. Me play it out this morning, them have to build it back completely, the whole economy. And by the way, everything shadow, you notice that
but they don't want to, but when they don't want to acknowledge that that was a situation. They talk if everything was copacetic when they took over, and it is not true. When the Portia took over, and it is not true. They had to literally go and seek help to get back on the IMF agreement. And when they kept passing the IMF agreement, the same Andrew Warnes that opposition criticized them for passing their IMF just as they should, because you got to pay your bills. You got to pay the bills of the country. And so the economy that they are talking about, non praising enough, it is thanks to Portia and Peter Phillips why they have this kind of economy. So it's rather unfortunate that they do that, but I'm happy that the Constitutional Court has ruled that her extension of tenure is unconstitutional. Because the Constitution explicitly states that at age 60, she can stay on. She can be granted one more contract.
She can stay on for, yes, so she go to 63. Right? She go to 63. Yeah, like Karate say, and then, you know.
Right, I'm sorry, I'm in the grocery store, yes. So the Constitution allows her extension for one, when she reaches 60, one extension, which they spoke to the opposition about, consulted the opposition on, and they extended it. Now they went ahead and extended it. Remember last summer, he went to Parliament, and the same day they came to Parliament, they went to Parliament with the legislation. It was passed without any consultation with the opposition. And they didn't even care that they didn't consult the opposition, that they were usurping the powers of the Constitution. They did not care. So somebody has to step in and say, no, you're not a government by yourself. You don't have your own laws that govern you and nobody else. It makes no sense. So I'm really happy that the Constitutional Court has decided that her tenure needs to be she needs to go and go immediately. And what is Delroy Chuck appealing? There's nothing to appeal here. There's really nothing to appeal. So it's rather unfortunate that he feels that way. But I'm happy that the court ruled in the favor of the opposition, and that she needs to go. She's too corrupt. She needs to go.
She's not a government minister. Why you appeal for her? And then why you fight for her? That alone identify and show said she a come up for them ranks.
Exactly.
You understand? And by the way, Maria, when them remember them did have the IMF, and them go back to the IMF in 2008. 2009. Them go back to the IMF. And when them go back to the IMF, them default and mash up everything. So when Portia come in, nothing not there. So she have to come and build it back. And by the way, when Portia put out everything, the water, the road, everything, line out.
Exactly.
And they take it with the blueprint, and every minute talk about this, madam, we manage up, and this and that, the one Nigel Clark. Them to stop it. We are all them accountable. We have to draw things like this and play to the people them, because them never see it. None of them never see it before.
Exactly. They need to be held accountable.
Yes.
And it is rather unfortunate that people have been coming out so, forceful against the government. But we have no choice, because they're doing things that are so corrupt, dishonorable, and then expect that people must just sit down and say nothing about it while the masses of the people are suffering.
Yes.
So, it's a good day, and we have to talk about the good things that former leaders have done, but we also have to commend the courts for when they get these things right in the interest of the Jamaican people, in the interest of transparency and good governance, because this is the Constitution at work. This is a Constitution at work. And she needs to go home. She should be ashamed of herself. And if she had anything about her, she would step aside and say to the Justice Minister, and he shouldn't even call himself a Justice Minister, because he's corrupt. He is corrupt. Yes. Because there's nothing to appeal here. And she should have some shame and say, something, the court is right. If she respects the court, the Constitution and the court, she should say, something, the court is right. I should not have been granted this extension. So let me go. And just whatever dignity she can save, whatever face she can save, do so, because she has lost so much credibility. So try to save something and just go. Just go quietly into the night so we don't have to be talking about her for the next 6 months. Because she is corrupt. And those cases that are sitting there that need to be prosecuted must be prosecuted because they are worthy of prosecution.
Yes.
It's just that her as a DPP has not done her job. She hasn't done her job. And so it is a very
the deputy come out and talk and tell them, say them a break the constitution and she do a letter and talk to them. And she said the woman bad mind. The
exactly.
said beauty bad mind.
The lady was right. She was right all along. She was right all along. Because Paula is there doing the bidding of Andrew Holness. She's not doing the bidding of the Jamaican people. And her duty is to uphold the law. It doesn't matter who wants to uphold of the law. If the Prime Minister, the opposition leader, any member of Parliament or Minister of Government or any member of Jamaican society does that, she's supposed to hold them accountable.
True.
But she's not doing that. Only the small man that she has power for, an artist, but she has none for she has none for the political directorate, and she has none for the business class. She only has it for the poor people. So at the high time she, pack her bags and go, as the sheriff would say. But she needs to live up.
Yes. Because he might run out. Anyway, later, sister. Me there.
Yeah, later every time. Yeah, man,
right, cool. Yeah, man, I have to talk to my brother and my sister them, because great news, them get rid of Shrek. And like what Herb Tida say, and like what Tida say, I had a little case where she have if we look through them. And like what Herb Tida say, search her under, but we go further than that. You have to make she stoop and cough before she squat and cough with him. Stop, squat and cough, that she not carry out nothing. Out of the office, you borrow her from the office, put her out, don't let her back inside, she will stay outside. Tell her if she come up there, just tell her go catch. Yeah, she legal now, she's not the DPP right now, so she will just go catch. And she wasn't a DPP neither. That time done long time. Eh? Why a government everything for them interest to fight for a deed, but nobody never do yet. And she do 3-year extension, by the way, not with the opposition blessing because the opposition was against that. And them fight to make she stay. And now them come back with the same foolishness again. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man. Me come back with the press conference later, man. Me I come back with it. So, I leave the press conference. We carry it later, man. And then we want to carry PJ Patterson speech. Because we just carry Portia Simpson, Mama P. Yeah. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Where you say eyes on the file? Where you say? No, man, you can't. The eyes on the eyes on the file before we move. Because it's a serious thing, this, what on there? What on there, man? Eyes on the file, I say we can't do that. Yes, them have to do that. I'm want them video it and send it, come give me squat and cough. Eyes on the file. Answer your phone fast, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, she have to squat and cough for we. The handbag of a search like what Herb say. But you need to squat and cough.
Yo.
Yes, eyes on the file. What? But you laugh at the suggestion, but we can't trust them in a brother. Yeah? Yeah, man. Eyes on the file are laughing, but we can't trust them. No, she have to squat. You know no more DPP. She have to squat and cough.
I will never go in a prison and make them squat and cough,
But I didn't tell her leader anyway. But she will squat and cough. We don't know what she come out with. We don't know what she remember, tell him that.
Serve the DPP before she leave, brother. That's probably
But then we can't just nobody in the diaspora like her, Nobody in Jamaica. I'm going to the government, the ruling, the government, and the big boys. But nobody don't listen to Jamaica. The Jamaica people, the population, they're not in her.
Yeah, man. But let me tell you one thing, I will suggest Andrew Favor and give him a suggestion now. Because Lonesome don't talk about everything what happened Sunday already. So Prime Minister cancel the meeting Sunday, find an online attorney course where your wife can get her degree by Monday morning. And just appoint her to be the next DPP.
To do what?
If I forgot appoint to
Him can't find a man. She no liar or nothing, so she can't go over there. So
that's what I'm saying. You have to find an online weekend court.
Oh.
We give you the degree everything by Monday morning.
Oh. Boy, you have a course. No, you have a course. She can't go deal with that. She have a race course. Let's go down a race course. Let's try going a race course because she can't be DPP. She just drive up and down race course. So she can't go a rain course, race course. You know, and she good. Yeah, just drive a race course. But I'll be saying, I may say that woman actually need to squat and calf still, brother. So you can't set her outside.
No, man, you can't do that DPP.
She's not DPP, no, she's not DPP, brother. She was. She was squat and calf.
You know, it's a serious thing. You know, so Jamaica go learn a serious lesson about corruption.
Yes.
The same DPP. Look at it, right? You hear what the guy said earlier? Marie said to, I think, Earth. Look at it.
Yes.
All that cases when this woman was a part of, you know.
Yeah.
All that lot of them know that illegal prosecution, you know. Because business and greed, you know. Because that now, you know. So whatever trial they go on with she, you know, whether Clansman trial, Ninja Man trial, Disha trial, that the trial, and even the fact that the DJ when they go do him appeal one day, she represent the crown, you know. So that gone, so everything gone because of carelessness. Agree.
Yeah. But you know, she not good. Now you see anything with them keep her after the 3 years run out the extension. Remember them just one go pushing something and that's called, you know. Then now the part for this thing and you have to talk to the opposition, them bar the opposition and do them one thing.
Right.
It's wrong.
So what is Virginia got appeal? Not even the orange peel that they appeal the word, you know. Not even the orange peel, it's a word.
No, but from him go appeal it don't go show corruption. See me come see the crab fool, you know. Me show you say a man we get the 10 black tank. Never have the money, have a little dirty place in the right side of the member of parliament. He needs come talk the shadow cabinet minister of water. The man no do nothing but say him buy place from a place when I sell black tank at a number one. Because we sell the place. So we have the receipt over them give. You have the, you know, the book, the invoice book. But the invoice book, you remember it number. All of the page in the invoice book, it number. So, you know, if you have number 1 in a red writing, number 2, number 10, number 20, if it have a 100 page, it number. Right? Because it number that you can do your taxes and everything. You can't change the red page or nothing. What him do now is, him have a page 11 and then write pan it and give him, and him come and say this a film receipt where him get. With 9, but him say him write 10 black tank. He never appeared and remember, you know, that is not a receipt book. It's an invoice book. But the word for me get invoice. But him don't know that neither. So I tell Crab, because Crab don't know the paper to them, I done Crab later. But put it out, you know. He come out with a receipt page again. Hold on, my brother. He come out with a page again. The page at 11:23. So he leave from 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And 9 different pages. Him take out 2023 and write back the things in it and write page. And leave out some things and different handwriting, right? Because they might try copy the team. Remember, we are handwriting expert too, you know. Them don't know. To me, say, man, the villainous. Them don't know who them are doing, you know. All right. So we show them no crab run out in a ambush. And then, you remember, we don't have crab in a crab a bottom feeders, you know. So a crab a seeing and say a seeing tech. So we never see crab. But they run out in a trap. So I'm going to done crab later. This to show you how them done some fool. Eh?
You know what him I don't know? You know what him I do this up? What crab I do this up? Him I defend the indefensible.
No, him a defend criminality. Him a defend criminality. That's for sure say them no good. So him just come, him just open himself, never done him with the WikiLeaks again. So Crab just open up himself again. Me like this. Crab I show what put what add in the crab to it now. We show you how them corrupted. Because if him did smart, him that look pan where him at first and say, but you know, see this, them catch you. Him run out now about people if you apologize like him I hear that. I don't know, go get talk to the paper. Eh?
It can never come after you, the way you present it.
They're not done, job, man.
It don't make no sense. Him should not steal from that.
Yes.
You understand? At least you know to say the bridging them
Granny Suba, and look how much of them they do not. Who is scrub now for run out power with a show? He must have said the man doesn't tell DLI.
It's not.
Police them to charge him and charge Wilson. Two of them forget charge because these are public mysteries. The two of them are including Crab. What's supposed to be the National Security Minister? See, me not, me have him, you know. I can't say him never out, you know. That's why sometimes when I do my thing, you know, me show them, you know, I say, hey, don't follow, if you fall, I'm a chop, remember, not pass me, you know. Remember, me do, hey, remember, not pass me, you know, brother.
Never tell Andrew again, cancel the Sunday meet to find a weekend Lara course for your wife.
Me could tell them what to do. Me could tell them what to do. Leave bug life to make it not look bad. Leave the CMC where them are run off them out. No, you know, it is a 2C, them run off them out. Or one of the see them. You don't want this them in 100. One of them see there, you know. Yes. And people them are telling not do it. So you one of them see they forget this. Okay. So you have to go leave that and then find somebody else to make it not look good, make it not look bad. But me the side you say anybody will find it, so when you chat, remember me I hear you. Can we hear you, you know?
Yeah.
We hear you yesterday too.
Yeah, man.
We just not come and repeat yet. Yes.
Yeah, man. I mean, never tell them I airport. Look out for some people have a list out now, you know. Don't I airport there.
Yes.
Don't get look away from now. No people have
Yeah.
because a big lady.
Yeah, man.
A big layer of the criminal protection gone now. So
yes.
enough man, SSL man them have a lift up in them. Me not ask you know.
No, them can't, what them have to come the way on. Remember if them come up here, worries, you know. They not come the way on, man. Where them have go down the island. Remember we have been called over the place.
Hey, Royal Arena stuff, I'm Royal Arena show by me to Sunday, you know. Because they want to know what going on. Inside, you know.
5 years him sit down there and she could have just make and when you look, them drop film case already. They must sit down on the case 5 years.
Yeah.
Him and him wife and him pick me I protect him. When you look dark part father-in-law lose 2 guns. 1 3 o'clock in the morning. The president of the Senate, dark part father-in-law. See, 1 in a 3 o'clock or 1:12 in the day. And I know she not chat to him. Them charge Paul well doing now. Then Agintai lose him 2 guns. Carry down a film friend will lose 2 too. Them not gonna away. Then criminal Al Miller lose him gun. Them won't go charge him a money. You know say I pay foolishness, man. Eh?
Yeah.
You say I pay foolishness.
I'm say a JP come on your program and you can't get a license gun.
Okay. Can't get a license gun.
And take one thing, remember them.
I can tie them still have gun. After the one of that.
Man.
Him not get banned. Him still have gun. Someone I know how Jamaica for run so. That's what me want to know. Agintai still have gun. Eh?
You say a desperate man, it's when them desperate.
Yes.
All you gonna make everyone when they're desperate, brother. Them gonna make more mistake now.
Tell you,
because
yes.
them gonna do desperate things now.
Yes. So me tell you all these things going to happen. And long time when I tell Shrek 5 to go home, go shave her Santa, she not hear. Till them I feel embarrassed her. If she does hear what me tell her, I know me I run out she to go out here hard, brother. I know me I tell her to go home, go to take care of her Santa, brother. Eh? Eyes on the file. Eyes on the file. Yo, eyes on the file. I today yesterday me I tell Shrek 5 to go home, go take care of her Santa, brother. Eyes on the file. Like him for that chip up. Yes. See, I don't know me I tell her that. I tell her to go home. Yeah, no, I know me I tell eyes on no me I tell Shrek 5 to go home, go take care of her Santa.
No, man, me know about the Santa, but me don't want to have to call for a thing before she leave. And I just need gracefully. Just need gracefully, ma'am. You disgrace yourself.
But me tell her to go home long time. This will not go on. She no more DPP right now, you know. I file that about a stay of execution. What? With what? The Constitutional Court?
Yeah,
so
how do you do that? You know? It's a constitutional rule and I think the mortgagee challenge, you know, so we have our opinion. I'm just desperate, brother. I'm telling you,
no, Marky G, I remember Paul Well, them a liar, them, it's full of be a liar around the sheriff
yeah,
and
they're
them.
a liar. They know
Put
what
up
they're doing.
and Motley. I be a liar around there, you know. Them know what them talk about, you know. Zane,
Yeah,
Marky G himself. That's some top liar around there. Right? Me tell her to go home. But you know, listen. You understand?
Brother,
So them do things and I do
brother.
loophole and I talk foolishness when I work. All me I tell them say it's not working. When they listen to me, I say, just go home. Go deal with your Santa. She not here. Right now, you have to go, she need to squat and cough. I'm going to somebody video it and send come give me my plate. She not DPP. She go in her office, she have to squat and cough. When the father go in there, I don't make she go in there when she want to take it out, yeah. She squat and cough. She's not a DPP. I search her back too. I mind think cut to no well. No John Deere can't hold in the bag. Can I raise her, eh? No, I'm telling DPP right now, as we speak. She ain't a DPP.
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, the ruling, I think it's with immediate effect, right?
Yes. So she's not a DPP right now. So she have to squat and cough. So she them run for her state. So she's not a DPP. So when I call her, we just put it up. What should I put? Farmer DPP. Yes. You understand? No full-fledged Santa. That sound better, right? Yes.
The Prime Minister have a headache. We can't tell her that.
No, but you deal with, you know, a party and them thing there, and you have headache over somebody where it's just supposed to just continue and go around. A long time I tell us to call in. True, man.
Brother, look for it now, brother, right? SSL case, right? Remember, say Andrew implicated that and take out the money in a brethren. So
she not charge him. She for charge him, you know. Right? How she for charge him? That in house trading, right? In house trading, that, right?
Problem.
Oh.
The brethren, Royal Reed case is another problem again to him. Right?
Yes.
Like, the whole thing with them, we call the hospital again when them fix up.
Beryllium Hospital. She not called for that neither, you know. Beryllium.
The money for them there, brother, is a lot of problems. There's a lot of problems here.
Beryllium original.
And the major protective layer is now gone.
Yes. Because don't have Petro Jam. You know, you're nothing else. Then when Rick Van Winkle, people don't know Rick Van Winkle. When Rick Van Winkle stepped down, I identify life, you know. I identify life for laugh, you know. When Rick Van Winkle stepped down, you know, because Rick Van Winkle, say her name, get her car, you know, get concession, you know. Rick Van Winkle stepped down. She don't, I know Rick Van Winkle run through court, you know. But it's state, she get charged and for run through court. Rick Van Winkle stepped down as member of parliament for Trinani and stepped down as speaker of the house. And I know Rick Van Winkle just sit down, right to the DPP office, and the DPP makes you know said she don't know if Rick Van Winkle charge. She don't think she charge. Eh?
Wow, brother, even she know, you see how she know?
Eh?
She now go sleep the next couple months here, brother.
Yeah.
With all out there, she can't sleep because remember say the same case. I don't know if she second the case with Clark. The virgin will call in for your program.
No, the mother same thing. Yeah.
You understand? But that's a big problem.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And the good thing for them, for those people now, is that if Shrek was illegally doing that kind of stuff, all of them something will come up again, brother.
Ah.
You know?
See it? Yes.
I mean, Ratty is a liar, so me can't go against him myself, but you know, we must say this, you know, it's a big problem for Jamaica again now, brother.
Yeah. So anything in 2023, no, so hear this. Anything in 2023 where them breach the constitution and put Irene back from 2023 or so, when she's supposed to go, I think when she's supposed to go in September, from September till now, them they're null and void. Because really you that yeah, because about here Jamaica stay now. If you don't know this, you don't know this. And some of the liars are something like that.
So you them do know. You remember the man would say my police, I do him the real police work more than enough of them. So him lock up all police take one from him and fire shot to and do all kind of things. Then and him promote himself and do what have you and him doing things for 8 years. No, you should just make him turn a DC and nobody bother with him. But you lock him up. And if you lock him up now, you have to let go everybody go him up. Some people might get 10, 20 years off of him. Them still at them time, but still this man was not police. Oh, that work.
Yeah,
you should have sued the government.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, and something where you mentioned, it's either you mention it or Ratty mention it.
Yes.
The person now, right? Where she said, because I heard when she said it, you know, she said she do this thing before when she basically do this thing in a case when a drawer mess up, and them still tell people they have to look.
And she admit it. She admit it. So if you at about 60 days, if a Jew are corrupt, I'm offer everybody 500,000 right away. A mistrial. You lock him up, send him to prison, and then you send a strong message and then start about the case. You have to think about 60 days and then you put everything in a jeopardy. So you're not good. You're not a good DPP. You're a Kwashi. You understand? Then she catch Ninja Man him out there for 5 years. You have Ninja Man there. Ninja Man come up them. I'm a fuck him. I'm a speaker too. You know, motivation speaker to the police. And then she sit down and take them and send them to prison and attack foolishness. Kentucky kid them kill him and we see there. She let go the police. The police go commit himself again in a more crime. He's a crime star. She let go Miller 9 go kill the little youth. Let if she just prison him go to California go kill people. 1 million vote more than run through same body, you know. I want them time more them not to do see nothing. Me just want them just strap up on Miller 9 when them run the vote through him. You must do nothing, you know. That's when they through him. But just strap up 1 million vote. Him too wicked. You a detective and thing they are foreign people country rob. That make it bad for the Jamaican for leave.
Yeah, man, but
you understand?
The family of the person where Miller 9 killing up. And you know, them find out, you know, say, she let him go and so they're going to go sue the government. So.
Yeah, no, but them have a sue. No, them sue she and her Santa brother. You can't go sue the government for she. Take her and carry her go on. Just attach her to Miller 9, but you run the vote, them chew him. She go on, man. She corrupted, man. Very corrupted.
Yeah, man. It's a good day for justice in Jamaica. So, we need to see more things like that. It's going to motivate a lot of people. And thanks to believe all them stuff may have come from the eye and the Ratty and the panel and of course market and it's good.
Yeah.
It's a good look.
So that's about Google. I'm tired still and all over the way I'm moving, you know. But I'm moving to one more move my side.
You know, so I feel say you miss the Gookster. I feel say you miss the Gookster.
Come we can beat him every day, because Gookster, remember Gookster, I said, you know, man. As me, Gookster have no sense on it. But then put it in a Google too. Him worse than Google, man. These are just two. The Google spit out. He have no sense, a politician, he know nothing about it. Yes.
But they look like you can give this person a lower grade than the Gookster.
No, Gookster better than him. Well, Gookster, I'm going to tie where, you know, me give him a tricycle now and then and take it back. Yeah. You know. You know. But I want to can't get nothing from me, man. He know nothing about him, man. He might play politics already, you know. But when we know him greener than Bailey. Politics he might play. He might can't, you know, remember you know, the government in a 2019 or 2020 when them said them have that are the crab. It's all over the place. Book back and chatting back a foolishness. Then Andrew now come and say I'm gonna buy some more, you know, camera put downtown and all over the place after the crab did say it already. You know, I have all these videos and when them talk with us contradict them. Come like when them talk, you know. I love them, make them chat them foolishness and then me deal with them case. Like a crab go do now with the guy down there, so I done him, you know. I remember that me alone I done him, you know. You have seen enough more people that done him now since him you know the crab. That for sure say them now. Them not fit with them, say them fit for better. See? I tell people about apologize. It's wrong. Come I eat that. Or if it be misunderstand security, you never know say a criminality the youth are promote with two false. Man. And then run out with that. Then we have to done the crap better. Crap not done later better, man.
Yeah? Desperation cause that to the brother. You saw a man desperate, them always make mistakes, brethren.
Tell me now, go down the crap now, man.
Desperate.
Yes. Yeah?
You know? Because
but run out about put man life and about for apology. Listen, you can't do no more PR on as long as we're there. Me not telling you that. PR them use and trick the people them both them win election in 2016, you know. PR.
Yeah.
How many look them spin out this bag of wheels and lobster and that. It not work. It's not working. You sit down and say not work. We are one different. We live in the wilderness. What I'm telling you. So now when you look, the person are right, but the thing when you look on the handwriting, that goddamn shame. I remember if them change it again right now and put up a next one, it'll mash them up, you know. Because I have 2 already. So maybe just warn him because them are idiot. Then we go try a next one. And if you try a next one, that'll make 3. So you put out 2 already. If you just send yourself a prison, young man.
But brother, what does this have to do with national? What does this have to do with national security for him to get involved?
Me no know, but party chairman this and that. Me no know, but right away him just show you how low him is. I went out and down for party and just see you just put out 2 files thing they put out, you know. Invice and I respect that, you know. Invice and buy thing with invice. Same and put out 2 files invice. When no match, the number them no match. It's like you have 2 different driver licenses or something. Because the invite, remember you can't mark it out with a pen or nothing, you know. And the book itself, when get it out, him never even see these things because his brain shallow. I got to teach him, I promise you, I teach him because I tell Maria, we're going to start teach a youth there, and Wilson too. We're going to teach him to spell A. I'm not like A fever, you know, and B. I'm not like B, like a B, like B-E-E, like B. That's the letter B, if you say B, and how it pronounced. But we make it, now give a job too. More you teach him M. I mean, when we say M, I just the M in him now, add nothing to it, you know. Just the M. And what we do now, make him, and then we give him a test, and if he pass, we send him a Jamal Basic. Oh, that's all.
When him?
Yeah?
They must go graduate to reach Jamal Basic.
He must learn to spell the ABC.
Yeah.
You know nobody learn to say them ABC, but I make him learn to spell female ABC. You remember people learn to say them ABC, you know better?
Yeah.
He must learn to spell it like A and then A, and you give him the sound, and then you take a month with this. And I make thing the 5 do. Because Maria have to teach him too, you know, Maria one of the teacher, and I'll herb T and Ratty. So yeah, and you too have to take a month, I'll jungle this. You have to take a undercover too. So I don't know if I said undercover one and come in when in a 26 letter. I make him notes at 26 letter in the alphabet and thing. Because maybe him think I'll go 3, you know, or something. And you understand? And then when you teach him that now, then you understand? Then when you done do that, then we give him a test. Yeah? A ABC test. An alphabet test. And then if him pass that, then we put him a Jamal Basic. No, Jamal Kindergarten first. Because Basic too big, that's a too high. And then after that, then you put him a Basic. If him have to pass test for. Because the youth can't sit down. You understand? Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, so that's how I have to do it. See?
No, sir.
I'm going to teach
No.
Nolan Wilson the same thing. Because him just stupid.
The mathematician, Mayor.
No, man, we can't teach him that to mash up all your brain box and all. Remember him done?
Where's the him beyond help?
Him can't help better. Him for just trying to scrappy it. Him can't help. That I mean, if you get $75 out of $10, I don't know how him do that. Brother, me know, sir. Him for go work a bank in an NCB, then we go and go change money. Yes. You put him on an NCB, tell her. Like how them a chop people money, you put him on there. So you go in there, go change $1,000, you know you come out to the 100,000. So you have to have one of the brings them outside and go in there and give him 100,000, you know, you give $1 million. You go in there with $1 million and just go scrape it out again, you know. For the day, you know. Leeching, then you look for him, you know, because you must scrape it out, you. No, man. I see you sticking up. Yeah?
Hey, the whole place, everybody know, kind of, just this give Jamaica, the ruling alone give Jamaica hope. You can't believe that.
Tell that, man.
Give Jamaica hope.
William Kelly. Yeah, man. We just say, We don't see William. Mr. William has somebody so like an undercover. No man, a Patrice, that man. Patrice, William, no man. Our family that.
Me never know that Patrice, you and Paula League when it comes to sentence them, you know. Me never know.
Yeah, man, we have some long sentence. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, the girl, when them cut off her ear and DPP rule against her. Yeah, but for that, for true. You remember? That's illegal too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Everything I come out now, man.
Yes, man. So I want them in a better. Yes.
I think because of corruption, you know, so they don't follow the rule.
Yes.
They always come back and come catch you, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
so them over there going on with the most thing, I see it, you know.
Yes. So no more DPP right now. Yeah. And when you say a government get Gigi, and I will abandon boy, you appeal something. Or if it be, she feel just go one long time from 2020. Why you 2024? Right. Why you appeal? Eh? Why you appeal?
Man, you're right. Yeah, man. It's like earlier today, the man is coming like a wrecking crew. That's like the government is coming like it's a wrecking crew. I'm a joke.
Don't it? Me play Portia similar today. Wanna see it, right? And when you play 2015, 2016, and she tell us, hey, she go for a basket, up to the basket where you go for it was a zero accident, it was a copy of thing, you know, brother. See?
Yeah.
And the man them carve out a PR, where them have with Bug Life and the whole of them. That if when you listen to them, if you don't do your own research, you believe them. And them mash up the economy, you know. See, if you go back and beg them to set it, no money, no dead if you do nothing, you know. And out of nothing, she said all these things for the water, for everything, you know. And give him the blueprint and set enough things to run. And he might take credit for it. Eh?
Yeah.
After him mash up, all boy yard mash up the thing. Mash it up.
And brother, you see anybody at all will go watch the program where you do on Portia today? You know, say every project that she mentioned, she give you the start time and the end.
And she give you the money where she spend and everything. You ever see them do it yet? And tell me something. Tell me something. From she come on, you she say, we, the PMP, we, my God. You she do that?
No, she don't do that. No.
She talk at the government. Them, the Andrew Owens, the JLP government, we build the most house. You know, see them I hear that. You understand?
I mean, on every project we should talk about, she give you the start date and the end date on every one of them. And now the hospital, with the money I refurbish the hospital. I don't build a new hospital now. They might refurbish the hospital and the end date.
You see the children there just at the hospital down there, she give that the blueprint for that too, you know. The money they did that too, you know. And him, you can't go look on it, we can't show it. She they do it. I have it. You remember say me is a man in the wilderness, you know. And when I do my thing, when my research, I'm a few up, you know. And my brain, you know, we have elephant brain, so nothing no pass me. So I can just boom and just draw back on some sitting. Some people that call me and say, oh, you do that? We get time for that. Because you see the country, I think, and then we look at 8 and look at Jamaica. Jamaica is a nice country. But we have too much criminal around the country. And for years, we never see a big boy yet go to prison. I'm going to pay a ghetto youth, them stepping on them shoulder and send them to prison. By the way, your poster Simpson Miller come and say, Radam, when you look a boy, 15 years. She said, if you protect them. She said, if you protect them, them are the future. But Crab and the same chuck them at about 12 from age 12. If you send them life imprisonment, if them ever and none of the comics upon them, 12-year-old. Them people are evil to get up people. You know when you know so them evil? From when you see them when Azan build the little 6 little thing, and you see them talk about that night. This is clips better. Yeah? My last thing on this store. Yeah, come I go for the young sort of them. My last thing on this now. When Shrek was office, them said, you know, somebody has said she have photo. Now I say you can't leave that because you have matches that. And you can look on it. You have to have one of the totally clipped glasses. If you look on them photo there, that's Shrek. You can't look on her eye to eye. You rather it's more tolerable for you to look straight in the sun with naked eye than to look on Shrek in her dark glasses. You have to have a clipped glasses. for looking at Shrek eye. It clipped. You know, one of the totally clips. Can you remember if you're turning a stone? You're done. All right. Me there, you know, brother. Later here. Yeah, man. People. Yeah, later, you know. Move forward, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, brother.